Hi everyone, my name's Melissa and I'm with the Richmond Wildlife Center. I just wanted to thank everyone for participating in our Valentine's Day fundraiser. All the volunteers had a lot of fun. We know that the animals enjoyed the insects, and we appreciate all of the support. We hope that you enjoyed the videos that we posted throughout the day as well. We have one final donation that came through that's very special. This may be disturbing to some viewers, so there'll come a point where I'll tell you to turn this video off. We get a lot of birds of prey in here, especially in the winter time, and as courtship begins in the late winter and heading into springtime. So with that, it gets very expensive feeding the birds of prey. Birds of prey are everything from your hawks, falcons, owls, osprey, vultures. They're predators, and anytime we have to feed a predator, it gets very expensive. So when we order our prey items for these predators, we have to overnight them, which gets very expensive. So we try to do our order in bulk to get the most bang for the buck. So an order can range anywhere from $500 upwards of $2,000, depending on how many birds we're starting to get in and what we're anticipating admitting throughout the season. With that, we had a special donation from a local business that donated a sizable contribution to help us purchase a quite sizable amount of prey items for the birds of prey. So if you've been following us, you know that we've got owls in our care right now. There's one that flew through a screened-in porch. There was another owl that got his foot caught in a tree that had a V in it, and he's been with us as those wounds heal, which has taken some time. We have hawks in our care as well. So from Lalo, he opted to name this particular prey item that we're going to feed to all my enemies. And if you know Lalo, he has no enemies. He's an amazing individual, so I encourage you to visit his restaurants and get to know him. Lalo's Cucino, which is located on Broad Street in the city across from the Children's Museum. And they also have a new restaurant, which I encourage everyone to go check out. It's on Main Street in the financial district. So if you work downtown, walk over, have an amazing lunch, grab a happy hour with some coworkers and check out Chicanos on Main Street. And then out in Mechanicsville, they also own El Patron. So they have been an amazing supporters of our wildlife patients throughout the year, throughout the years since we've opened this hospital, and we wanted to give them a shout out and get this particular special purchase named for all of his enemies. So now is the time to turn off this video. Again, this may be disturbing to some viewers. We have a red-tailed hawk that we're going to be feeding prey. You'll see that it has some injuries that it's recovering from. So now is the time to turn this video off if you would not like to watch this.